Sunday home reset, but at my daughter's. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and we are at our daughter's, and I am going to do a Sunday home reset, and my daughter, of course, is going to help, and we're going to do her kitchen, and we're going to do her entryway. So I'll give you a show of what it looks like now. It's still on the counter. Some was put away, but yeah, we have a few things to clean up. We have a few vegetables here from her garden that we're going to fix for supper. And get Papa to put his pop away. Yeah, it's not as bad as it seems. It won't take long. Oops. Have some mostly shoe tidying here. And hang up a backpack or two. And of course in order to get for her. So that's what we're going to work on today. So let's get going. Cheers.
Coffee is a
And
must.
we're off. And running. Okay, here we go. The coffee pot that Jody is moving from that counter to the next counter is a coffee pot they bring out just for her mom and dad so they can do their pod coffees. So, getting the counters all tidied up.
And it takes years to get to that status. So to protect it from falling into the enemy's hands.
I'm just going to stick these
There's
down
no
here.
information from them to say that this guy was ahead, because they would
You're
probably
okay.
know
We usually just put them in there.
It's actually Thomas Lockley has been added
But I do care if this
so
there.
it's good.
Thank you.
You know, so he's still sort of promoting the fact that this guy was a samurai, even though.
These vegetables Jody is cleaning up and taking the leaves off so we can have beet and greens are all from her early harvest in her garden.
Other people argued, okay.
Jody and Brian's garden. I think it's mainly Jody's.
Well, Brian waters. Here's another dish to wash. Jane gave me this big pan. Because they got, I'm going to get rid of this one to be washed. It's got my
Just know the Black Samurai is probably didn't exist. But the guy's on the run now because, as Thomas
break here.
It's a stovetop. No, that wouldn't be okay.
Then I get a gas one.
Expensive to change.
No, then I get a gas one.
Including fictional character. Now this one all of a sudden is based on some. Yeah. So I don't know. I'll probably play it anyway.
Okay. Does this go on this side?
The other side. Yeah. Then the olive oil, and the avocado oil, then the little spike thing, then the garlic goes on top, then the little spray bottle.
Are you gonna keep your
280 inches is what feet. Feet in diameter. So it's probably the size of this ball. Yeah.
You give me a few
tummy toes?
It handles 120.
small tags. The window could be wiped down too.
But the thing is
Do you have
in order to
windows?
do that,
Yeah, there's Windex under the sink.
it's like Xbox for one.
And then I think because that container is so stinking big.
Quick start? Yeah. You have to not have any quick start on, because they're in the background. Anywhere, co-op, and
This
then
one's pretty.
it goes to this continue screen,
That's
and
nice,
then
yeah.
it goes into where you were. Well, it doesn't even go to where you were. Voices for mail and email. The problem would be if you created this whole game with, then the voice would attach because most of the games where you bring past the game.
Well, the side of Jodis fridge gets all splashed from their beautiful espresso machine. So we're going to clean that up. And at this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate you. And I'd like to welcome any new subscribers and send a big YouTube hug out to my regular subscribers. Thank you, thank you. On with the cleaning.
One of the things
Okay.
you have to farm a lot. Well, yeah, most of those online.
What do you use to dry it?
And then you have to, upgrade your web. One mission where I was having one, so.
Just so they can see you've done that side too. Look at it's turning brown. It's gonna be nice and
I
clean.
like how you just peel the trim off like that. It's like, oh.
Oh,
So because it was a screw, it was called light tube handhole, and he blocked it
Ooh, that looks really good.
just to
and
put
then
my little
I think they
spots
were
on.
just like $8 million.
Still get.
As a version.
Then you can spray it with your spray.
Cycling, hack.org. There's an version.
Oh, look at all there. We could still get off.
All right.
He's like paid
Okay.
to have
Here's your
this
steel wool.
commercial.
There's some here too.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in there too.
Started publishing these ads.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Just call it a day.
Oh, you better believe this is the last thing I'm doing on it. I'll just. I mean, it did come on. Well, yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, it'll eventually.
Sucker cat talk.
It came up really good.
Yeah, it's good to know this will work, but I just really. Well, I'm hoping we'll eventually switch to a gas range.
Just might make it shiny.
Well, we should spray the back too, because we might as well.
Well, that's what, clean. Oh, they didn't wipe this counter.
No, we haven't wiped this. You could probably use
Oh, we
that.
haven't wiped all this one.
No, that's still to be done.
Still to be done. Should I spray it?
You can, yeah. Just make sure the lid's closed so that the spray doesn't go in there.
Beans?
Yeah.
You want your beans to taste like that?
ABC and Conway's an expert at it when you ask her a question. Diverts it right away.
Oh, that's not Jody.
Like, okay, well, what about the she doesn't touch it? You're not answering the question. Yeah, what about all this other stuff that's going on? Because of those, unless it's just reinforcing.
I haven't taken those off before.
Nope.
It's the first
I
time.
think part of it was to show that he had black support.
Well, your stove's not that old.
No, it's only a couple hours old.
Hmm?
It's only a couple years old, but it's a cheap model. Like, we didn't spend up for it. It was just basic. So that's all we could afford at the time. So it was basic and just fine.
Improvement. The burners look so nice and clean. I still like a white appliance the best.
Oh, me too.
Like this.
Oh, you got that Kurt Cooney's Kevin Sorbo, John Schneider from Dukes and Hazzard, you have him. You know, you got these celebrity endorsers. Seriously. I thought you had a brain.
Anything else?
Oh, hey, sorry, I forgot
I
to
think
say
that's
what's
it.
in our.
Yes.
That goes right here. That you can put by the sugar. These are clean. And we'll just spray the front of the stove off.
Yep. You got a cloth?
She won? Yeah. Oh, so she is, okay.
You're gonna do one?
Which I guess it might be good enough.
It's a quick wipe. Call it a day. Just make sure he isn't holding up. Sure not. Get Brian to vacuum.
Sure.
Yeah.
Would you mind vacuuming for us?
Make it all shiny and pretty.
Oh. Yeah. And that.
on the smaller side, yeah.
Just do-
Look, we have Santa Claus vacuuming.
Oh,
Well, this sure looks different. Sure looks nice. Didn't do too much.
okay.
It's great.
She was caressing.
Everything's all nice and clean. We got it all done, all tidied up, and we're very proud of our work. And Jody even tidied up over here. I didn't film it, but it sure looks better. You can get in the door really good. So here's another view of the kitchen. So nice to have a tidy, clean kitchen. Very nice. Well, that's our Sunday home reset. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you all in my next video, which will be Tiny Tiny Tuesday. More work at Jodis. We'll get her done. Okay, bye.